This is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I will show how you can change the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first we will need to download the third-party app that is called Caffeine. That is the tool that allows us to set custom sleep values, screen sleep values rather. But unfortunately it is not available at the app gallery, so we will need to resort to some third-party sources. I usually use the APK Pure website, or web page, whatever, website rather. So let me just open it real quick. APK Pure. Over here, open the search bar and look for Caffeine app. So here is the app that we were looking for. So tap at the download button, download APK, then download X APK, then confirm the file download once the dialog window appears. After the file gets successfully downloaded, we will just go ahead and initiate or initialize the installation process by opening it. We'll grant all the permissions, allow browser to install apps. After the security check, we can finally install the Caffeine, then launch the Caffeine application. Make sure that the timeout parameter is set to be at an infinite value, and do not close the Caffeine app in order for it to stay active. And as long as you do so, your screen will not automatically turn itself off. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.